So here we are on our connectors, web publishing. We're going to turn on our web publishing engine so that we can use WebDirect and a bunch of other things like CWP. OpenJDK8. Okay. Go to adopt OpenJDK8. Click the link. We're going to scroll down. We want this one, right? And we want the one that's in a zip file. So we'll go ahead and download that. So it's downloading. It's downloaded. Then we got that. Return to the sidebar. Click Browse. There it is. Upload file. So that'll upload the file. Then you just got to click this little toggle switch to on, and then click this other toggle switch to on after you restart FileMaker server, which you can do by doing this. So thanks for watching. I'm Sully with Mandelbrot LLC. Bye-bye.